Howdy folks, so if you're new here, my name is Boone, and here on my YouTube channel, Boone Loves Video, I create Adobe After Effects tutorials. And I've really become a specialist in map and cartographic animations. So on the side, I work for a variety of really cool freelance clients where I create map infographics and explainers. I also blog and create video tutorials for a number of bigger companies like Adobe, Premium Beat, Shutterstock, and Frame.io. I'm sharing this video because I recently set up a Patreon page, and I did this because I want to shift more of my time over to my YouTube channel. I want to have the ability to focus more on the map animations, tutorials, and tools on my own platform. Now, I don't want to stop freelancing for all these other cool clients. I just want to have the ability to properly monetize. You know, I've been a YouTuber for a few years now, and the income streams in this world are very volatile and unreliable. So, for example, if I post a tutorial now, there's really three main ways I can make money off of that tutorial. So I have affiliate marketing deals where if somebody purchases something through an affiliate link in the video description, I can make a commission off of that. I can make money from Google ads, and I can make money from possible sponsorship deals. And all three of these change from month to month. So one month, all three will make me a lot of money. Other months, all three are doing terrible and I make hardly any money from the YouTube channel. I really like the idea of being able to provide value to fans and viewers that's gonna be able to support my passion that's really a shared passion. And I get to create a community around all that, which is really, really cool. Okay, so that's what's in it for me. That's why I set up this page, but what is in it for the patrons? Well, I've set up 3 tiers here, and what I'm providing is kind of based off of what I've been seeing and getting requests from all viewers over the past few years of being a YouTuber. So the first tier is called Armchair Animator, and this is where I'm providing project files as well as animation presets. So those are those little FFX files that you see in Adobe After Effects. You can install them in your effects panel, and then you can use those to quickly streamline your workflow. So these project files are going to vary from Adobe After Effects project templates and files, as well as Google Earth Studio project files. I can also show you some of the project files where I'm doing like high-end client work. I'll talk about my workflows, behind the scenes stuff. Tier 2 is called Map Maker, and this is where I'm going to throw in exclusive tutorials. These are patron-only tutorials. So one of my long-term goals for my business and for my channel is to set up a bunch of premium courses, to have these premium courses available for viewers. And this is just, once again, another revenue stream for me to help support myself. These premium courses are going to include not only After Effects, like basic and advanced courses, but also the map specific content. Like I'm working on a course right now about Google Earth Studio and how to get into like really deep and advanced compositing work, working with that stuff in Adobe After Effects. So as I create the curriculum for the course, I'm going to be sharing videos with my patrons. I also have a course on GeoLayers 3 that I'm working on. And again, as I work on those, as I script those out and I start producing the videos, I'm going to be sharing a lot of that content with the patrons. The third and final tier is called King Keyframe. This is limited access. I only have 5 available, and that's because it includes a one-on-one Zoom call each month. Over the past few years of being a YouTuber, I get a good number of requests for the one-on-one Zoom call, like consultation calls. People often want like feedback on their video, or they want to know workflow tips and tricks, or sometimes it's like really specific, like how do I keyframe this camera to fly around the map? So these are obviously subject to change. If you have any requests of like maybe there's something specific that you'd like to see on the Patreon page, I'm all ears and I'm open to suggestions. So please feel free to shoot me a message and I will get back to you. And that's it. I really hope to see you on there. I'm excited to build like a little community around this shared passion of Adobe After Effects and map making. Hope to see you on there.